In this video, I'm going to be answering the question on how much is the interest on fair money loan. Basically, your interest will depend on how much you are borrowing or how much was agreed uh, to borrow you on the app. Let's say, for example, you are interested in borrowing a loan of up to 20,000 naira for 6 months. Your interest rate will be different from someone that borrow 20,000 naira for just 1 month. And before you know, most of these things will be shown to you before your loan gets approved. So let's say you borrow 20,000 naira for 6 months. They will show that to you that this is exactly interest rate that you will be paying on this 20,000 naira for 6 months. And fair money interest for between 5% to 25% actually. So based on what I saw online, so from 5% to 25%. So that will depend on how much you borrow and the loan tenor. So I don't know how much you're interested to borrow. I don't know the loan tenor you wanted to use, but your interest rate, no matter the amount it is, will fall between 5% to 25%. So you can proceed to apply. Then from there, you'll be able to see how much interest you're going to be paying for the amount you are borrowing on the app.